In this chapter we will learn which communication methods can be used in the TIA portal. What will be modern machines and production systems be without communication? During production, bottlenecks go undiscovered. Uneconomical production and errors will be seen daily. Modern methods of communication enable machines to learn to talk with one another and exchange data. The data may be simple machine commands, such as start or stop, or concrete production parameters such as quantities, but also safety-relevant signals such as an emergency stop, based on which machines are taking part in the conversation. There are various ways to transmit data. It is distinguished between field communication, data communication, and vertical communication. We are now looking at field communication. The machine exchange mostly machine-related commands, and this exchange usually occurs via Ethernet-based communication mechanisms such as Profinet. Together with TIA Portal, Profinet allows easy diagnostics, extensive safety applications, and is also protected from outside attacks, provided the rules are complied with. Now we will be covering data communication. In data communication, or the dialogue between the machines, other communication mechanism comes into play. At Siemens, for example, the S7 communication, the Profinet functionality I device enables the communication between various Simatic CPUs or the Profinet CPUs of other manufacturers both quickly and easily. The corresponding AI devices can be configured in the TIA portal with a few clicks. Now let's look more closely at the vertical communication. For the communication between machines and a higher-level instances, other industrial Ethernet-based protocols such as OPC can also be used apart from Profinet. These come in the form of production data for maintenance or specific data for management. These can be fed into the planning and control of the production ERP systems and evaluated according. System diagnostics is also covered in vertical communication, can be comfortably configured, carried out using the TIA portal. How it done in the TIA portal? In the TIA portal you comfortably define the connections between the devices in the network view. To set up the peripheral configuration, you just connect CPU to the peripheral device. The address assignment for subsequent control over your program is performed by TIA portal. However, you should assign symbolic names for your variables to simplify the programming process at a later date. The data communication set is also created the network view. You must switch to the connection mode. The connection can be established easily with the right click. Select the desired communication protocol to begin with and then your communication partner. System diagnostics for vertical communication is performed by TIA portal without any configuration. Simply connect the TIA portal to the faulty CPU and you would see the online view along with the problem, the device and the reason for the disruption. This information is available in various locations such as on panel and web server. With these communication methods you can do the following with the TIA portal: simply connect various equipment, communicate consistently from the field level to the management level securely, and remotely access machines and equipment for operation and monitoring.